Did you know that Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia, is the only national capital that borders two independent countries? Yes, you heard it right. Nestled at the heart of Europe, Bratislava is a city that boasts a rich history, diverse culture, and an incredibly unique geographical location. The city strategically sits at the crossroads of Central Europe, sharing borders with Austria and Hungary. This proximity has crafted a cultural tapestry that's as vibrant as it is diverse. So, let's take a quick journey back in time. Picture this. A bustling Roman settlement transforms over centuries into a key player in the grand Austro-Hungarian Empire. Fast forward to the present day and Bratislava now proudly stands as Slovakia's capital, a city that seamlessly blends its past and present into a compelling narrative. So, if you're an avid culture explorer, Bratislava is a city you simply can't miss. It's a place where history and geography conspire to create an unforgettable European adventure. Imagine you've just landed in Bratislava. What's next? The journey begins at Mr. Stefanik Airport, a gateway to adventure. With a trusted taxi app at hand, you navigate your way to the heart of the city, avoiding the pitfalls of tourist scams. Bratislava's charm is year-round, but spring or autumn are ideal seasons to visit. The city blooms in the gentle warmth of these seasons, yet remember to pack a light jacket as the weather can be a tad unpredictable, adding a hint of spontaneity to your journey. The city's gastronomy is a must-try. Relish the local delicacies from the hearty Bryndzové Halušky, a delicious potato dumpling dish, to the distinct taste of borovica, a traditional Slovak spirit. Each bite, each sip, immerses you deeper in the culture of Bratislava. The city is a trove of architectural gems, from the imposing Bratislava Castle, a beacon of the city's past, to the quaint charm of the old town and the striking beauty of the Blue Church. Each site tells a tale of the city's rich history and vibrant culture, and while the city's sights captivate, let the local music and customs enchant you further. Embrace the rhythm of Bratislava, learn a few simple Slovak phrases, and feel the warmth of its people. And as the sun sets over the Danube River, you'll find that Bratislava has etched itself into your heart. As one journey ends, another is about to begin. Picture this, a realm where time-honored traditions blend seamlessly with the pulse of the present. Imagine landscapes that will take your breath away, flavors that will dance on your palate, and melodies that will echo in your heart long after you've returned home. Intrigued? We thought you might be. So pack your bags and keep your spirit of adventure alive, because our next stop is a place where ancient traditions meet modern rhythms. Stay tuned.